a present value annuity. So we're going to read through this and we'll highlight what's important. So a doctor buys equipment for his office and he's going to pay $500 a month for the next 4 years. So those are going to be, this is a loan essentially already, we can tell. The question wants to know what the cash value is. So does it say right now? Yeah, right now. In other words, saying what's the present cash value of this. And the interest rate is 18%, which is a ton, per annum and compounded monthly. So a lot of important information. We need to decide how we're going to piece it together in this formula, okay? So because they want to know what the cash value is right now, they're looking for the present value, and that is our P in this question, okay? So they're actually looking for what the P is. In the loan, they're telling you got to pay $500 a month, which is quite common. That's going to be the regular payments. Good. So we have our regular payments. I is always calculated by the interest rate over the compound period. So the interest rate, 0.18.
Was it 32? No.
Well, this one's compounded monthly.
So 12, sorry.
Yeah, exactly. 12. So we'll have to figure out what that is exactly. And on top of that, N times years.
0.15.
Perfect. 0.15. And then the number of compounding periods is, so the compound, so 12 times the number of years, which is 4. So we have 48. But in this formula, because it's present value, that'll be a negative exponent. Okay. So now that we essentially have our values, we're just going to plug in. So P is equal to the regular payments are 500. Okay. We have 1 subtract 1 point. I'm just going to do the adding. 0.15 to the power of negative 48. Okay. And then everything at the very end is all divided by our 0.015. So you put this all into a calculator, and I'll do it along with us. So it all can be put in one step here. Let's see, 500 times bracket, I'm going to do double bracket, 1 subtract, oh, I didn't need a double bracket there. Can I go back? Yes, I can. Oh, great. 1 subtract bracket 1.015 to the power of negative 48. So negative. So bracket and bracket again. And the third bracket there. I think that's all right. Yeah, I hope so. And then divided by 0.015. Can sometimes be hard, as you can tell, to plug it in one step.
Yeah, you got it.
Is that what you got when you did it? Great. So it looks like this equipment, this is expensive. $17,021.27. So $17,021.27. Yeah. So what they're saying is that's that's what the present value is. Now, a good question to add up to this would be how much does this person actually pay? And we can calculate this due to the annuity. Because they pay 500 48 times, so let's do 500 times 48. They've actually paid $24,000, even though the equipment's only worth $17,000. So you're looking at almost $7,000 in interest because of this loan. So that's a lot of interest earned on top of this.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah.